So guys, in today's video, I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS wheel spacers.
For the wheel clearance measurement, the 15mm wheel spacers are the perfect thickness for the new BMW 3 Series to make the wheels flush with the fender. By creating the offsets, BMW 3 Series gets a more aggressive look. Both wheel spacer and wheel adapters are a kind of wheel accessories that are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem, with brakes, tie rods, and other suspension components. Usually, the thickness is below 25mm. We call the wheel spacers, which are used to solve the problem of the wheel not being flush enough and the wheel clearance. When installing wheel spacers, the factory wheel bolts are not long enough. We need to use extended wheel bolts. The original wheel bolts are usually of grade 10.9. However, BONOSS aftermarket extended wheel bolts reach ISO standard grade 12.9, with a 12-panel shape on the top of the wheel bolts, which proves the superforging process, reduces the risk of wheel bolts broken, and makes driving safer. In reality, properly installed car wheels with wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!